Standard Penetration Test (SPT). The Standard Penetration Test is an in situ test that is coming under the category of penetrometer tests. The standard penetration tests are carried out in borehole. The test will measure the resistance of the soil strata to the penetration undergone. A penetration empirical correlation is derived between the soil properties and the penetration resistance. The test is extremely useful for determining the relative density and the angle of shearing resistance of cohesionless soils. It can also be used to determine the unconfined compressive strength of cohesive soils. Tools for standard penetration test. Number 1. Standard split spoon sampler. Number 2. Drop hammer weighing 63.5 kg. Number 3. Guiding rod. Number 4. Drilling rig. Number 5. Driving head. Procedure for standard penetration test. The test is conducted in a borehole by means of a standard split spoon sampler. Once the drilling is done to the desired depth, the drilling tool is removed and the sampler is placed inside the borehole. By means of a drop hammer of 63.5 kg mass falling through a height of 750 mm at the rate of 30 blows per minute, the sampler is driven into the soil. The number of blows of hammer required to drive a depth of 150 mm is counted. Further, it is driven by 150 mm and the blows are counted. Similarly, the sampler is once again further driven by 150 mm and the number of blows recorded. The number of blows recorded for the first 150 mm not taken into consideration. The number of blows recorded for last two 150 mm intervals are added to give the standard penetration number, n. In other words, n equals number of blows required for 150 mm penetration beyond seating drive of 150 mm. If the number of blows for 150 mm drive exceeds 50, it is taken as refusal and the test is discontinued. The standard penetration number is corrected for dilatancy correction and overburden correction.